Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to use it as a PC webcam. You need to prepare yourself a cable. Here we've got USB Type-C to C cable and you need to prepare a cable like this. Here we've got 100 watts, 5 amp, I think it's 5 amp cable. So the first part of this cable needs to be plugged into your phone. Now the second part of the cable needs to be plugged into your PC. And now actually that should be almost it, because we need to now set up that we want to use our phone as a webcam. So how to actually do it? The first thing that you need to do is to scroll down to the notification bar and tapping USB forward charging. Here just select webcam. Now, as you can see, we've got here our screen, and here on our screen, on our PC, we need to enter camera app, and here yes, and maybe yes. Here we've got now our phone. That's how it works. I don't know how to actually show it to you that it's my phone. Just trust me, yeah. Just actually trust me. Here I've got my camera. That's how it actually works. Bye.